Hello y'all, Chef Jeffrey here back with another one of my old school soul food YouTube videos here. Today we're going to be making something so easy. Like I said, all my recipes are very easy and flavorful, but this is very simple, very easy, and very flavorful. It's just one pot, put in the oven, let it cook hour and a half, pull it out, serve it, bam, it's done. It's so easy. We're going to be making something I kind of created, my pot roast meal here. So what I got here, like I said, the recipe is in the description of the video. Also at the end of the video, everything I'm using. It's just 4 or 5 simple ingredients. I got pot roast, like 4 to 5 pounds of pot roast, frozen English peas, frozen baby carrots, some pearl onions here, already cooked pearl onions, and salt and pepper, and some beef stock. That's it. Very simple. So let's get started here. What I'm going to do first, I'm going to season the meat here with salt and pepper on both sides here. And I got this cut in half so it fit better than when I sear it off. Put it in here. And all I want to do is kind of brown it off here on both sides. Like I said, it's very simple. Just want to get a little brown on both sides. And I got some oil, of course, in the skillet already in my pot here. It don't take long to sear it off, because my pot was already hot and ready to go there. Okay, got that one seared off. Put my other piece in there. Just a nice little golden brown color on it. It's so quick when your oil is hot. Turn it over. So you sear it just to, kind of sear in the juices so the juices doesn't come out. Also, it gives you a nice color to your meat when it comes out. And please, like I always say, please share this recipe. Give this channel, give my channel and the recipe thumbs up. And share my channel with others. Please subscribe. A lot of y'all just watch the video, but you don't subscribe. So, you're going to be missing out on a lot of upcoming videos. Okay. Got that seared off. Now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put some flour here into the oil. We're going to make a gravy here. That's how we're going to make the gravy. Right into the pot. It's going to make a gravy as the meat is cooking. So what we're going to do, we're going to just brown this a little. Flour off a little color to it. Get all that good flavor off the bottom from the meat. Put a little bit more flour in there. Like I say, all this is in the, I've got the whole recipe in the description there of this video. Cook this out. This down a little. Worcestershire in there. Okay. Okay. Just want to get just a little brown color, not much. You don't want it too dark, but you get a little brown color on it. But when it come out, and I'm gonna make this thicker. Because what happened when I add the vegetables to this, the frozen vegetables to this, it's going to create more liquid. So I'm going to make as you're going to see, it's going to be really, really thick, but it's going to thin out as it cook in the oven. Okay, now I'm gonna add my beef stock to this. This is so simple, guys. So simple. So simple here. Clean up the mess here. More. That's it. And that's it. Now, what we're gonna do now, scrape off the sides here. We're gonna add the meat back to the pot here. We're gonna cut it off. Put the meat back in there. Push it down in there. Now, we're gonna add our carrots to this. Frozen carrots. My pearl onions. And frozen peas to this. That's it. Now, we're gonna cover this up. We'll move it around a little here. That's it. How pretty that looks. Cover this up. Hold on, we'll put a little Worcestershire. I got a little Worcestershire here. Put a little dash of Worcestershire in there. I like a little flavor of that in there. A little bit more salt and pepper. You can always season it more as it come out. And that's it. I'm gonna put it in the oven. 350 degrees for about an hour, hour and a half. And we'll be back in an hour, hour and a half, and I'm gonna show you how it come out. All right, y'all, we back here. It's been about an hour and a half, and let's check this out. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, nice. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. See how I made the gravy in there. I'm gonna put it on the. I'm actually gonna pan it up here on the platter. Y'all can actually see it. Tender this is. Look at that. Nice and tender. Falling apart tender there. Oh yeah. A little this on top. We got some meat that fell apart there. See how it made the gravy and all the carrots and onions, peas. Look at that. Just flow all up on top of that. That's it. Get no better than that. It's a meal in itself right there. Look at that. Old school pot roast. Let me cut a little piece off the corner there. See how it is. Look at this. Ooh, yeah. Look how tender that is. See how tender that is? A little gravy here on it. Nice and tender. You don't need any more salt. That's perfect. I got me some mashed potatoes here to go with it later. But that's the recipe right there. So, like I say, give this recipe thumbs up, comment, share, like. And this is look, see how easy? One pot. Easy. Got your gravy, your vegetables, everything on there. All you need some mashed potatoes, some white rice. So until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.